Ogai mar ODM Raila obedo kod romo gi jambetre ma piny China e thurka guo Haiyan odhiambo kawuono e apise ma Capitol Hill. Odinga opo osiepe kind pinje ariyogo ma wacho ni piny China osebedo kasro lwedo moko kuom chenro mag dongruok e thurka.
We have discussed issues of common interests. As you know that the People's Republic of China has been in this country for as long as Kenya has been independent, and they have financed a number of development projects in our country. There's a very good cordial relationship between Kenya and China within the fields of trade, fields of industrialization, the fields of cultural exchange, and so on. So we've just done a review of this, and as you know, it's ongoing discussions between the government of China and the government of Kenya, mutual relationship between our two countries. So this is what we have discussed this afternoon.